Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, March 22nd, third day of spring, and I am going out to look at some open houses, to look at the competition for my seller's home, which is going on the market next week in Bayside. So follow along, take a look at these three beautiful homes in Bayside, and if you have any questions about the listing that I have coming up next week, or even these three homes in Bayside, give me a call, send me a text, send me a direct message or email. All my information is in my bio, and I would love to help you find that perfect dream home. So take care and see what I see in these open houses. So I just finished open house number 1 on Pelham Parkway. Gorgeous, beautiful colonial, 4-bedroom colonial. Very popular today, lots of people going through. And now I'm headed over to Malibu Drive. I'm at the third open house on Sleepy Hollow, and this really beautiful modern style home. So I just finished the third open house on Sleepy Hollow Lane, a beautiful contemporary mid-century home. And if you want more information about this, please contact me. The list price is $699.9, and I'd love to be able to show you this beautiful modern home. And also, don't forget, next weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, open houses at 9211 North Regent Road. I look forward to seeing you there, and have a gorgeous, gorgeous Saturday. Take care. So now I am at the house that I am listing this next weekend, which goes live on March 28th with open house at 5 p.m. And just to take a look around again for you to see this beautiful home. It is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 3,200 square feet, about 3/4 of an acre on lot on the corner of Regent and Ferry Chasm. You are steps away from Mount Bayside, a few minutes walk to the new Bayside Middle School, and a very short drive to Bayside Gardens, to shopping, to the interstate. So please come and take a look at this beautiful home next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Bring your friends, families, and coworkers and neighbors to see this beautiful home, to fall in love, and to make an offer. You have a great day. Also, just wanted to say that I was given permission by all three listing agents to take pictures or videos of their listings on Sleepy Hollow Lane, on Pelham Parkway, and also on Malibu. So you take care, have a great day, and I hope to see you next weekend.